Hello, brother, and welcome back to my channel. So, for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing again. So, this is from Temu, right? So, this is from Temu. So let's go gonna check it out. So, okay, these are all cheap price. It's because Temu is so cheap, just like Shopee from Philippines. So, right. So, let's go. So, okay, all right. So, let's go gonna check this out. So, okay, and then we've got some type C charger right over here, and we got also cable type C to type C. So what I buy this is because I want to bring this into my work. I want to bring this into my workplace, and also I really need some charger for me to charge it my phone, right? Since I have already my charger right here in my wireless, but I don't want to take it off, or I don't want to take it off again, and I don't want to unplug and plug it again. So when I go to work, I have to unplug it, and and also when I get, and also when I'm at home, I I I'm gonna be plugging it again. And so that is why I have to buy a separate charger for me to bring it into my workplace, right? So okay, there's a sticker on it. So let's go gonna take that out. Take the sticker, and this type C. So what I believe is this is a fast charger. So let's go gonna check it out. So if it is gonna be a fast charger, and okay, my extension is, you know, my extension is not here. So I think I'm gonna have to use some power bank. Okay, so this is a fast charger, so I'm gonna have to try it into a power bank, right? So I'm gonna try this on. So okay, okay, this is not a power. Okay, it's not a type C. Okay, so here it goes. As you can see, let's go. Okay, it's not charging is because it is type C, right? So he needs a USB A to charge it up, right? So okay, let's just gonna go on to the next one, right? So I'm gonna have to put that one right over here. So I'm gonna have to check this out. It says it is a type C right here, and it's also my extension is not right here. Okay, so my extension is not here, so gonna have to gonna have to okay, so right here is, let's go gonna open this up. So what is this? So I forgot what is this. So I forgot what is this. Oh, okay. It's the pen, right? So it is a pen, but this is a multi-use pen. So let's go gonna check it out. So as you can see, there's measurement right over here. So you can make it into a measuring tool, right? And it's also got some pen right over here, and then here it goes. Go. Oh, cool, nice. And also um you're gonna have to put that one over here, and then what is inside over here. Okay, and then and then we've got some uh for your phone, right? So I think what I believe, uh okay, yes, right over there. Yeah, right. So this is a stylus for your phone, right? Also, okay, that's a stylus for your phone, right? Nice one. And it's also, I can use it also into my phone, right? So nice. uh right? And also right, okay, right over here is also there is over here is also is a measuring water, right? So if you want to measure something like, you can see that right over there. Oh, nice. Multi-tool pen, multi-use pen. So I don't know what is this one right over here, so I have to figure out. So link down below in the description. Okay, so I will link down below in the description for you to check it out, right? And also, uh, the last one is also, we've got some over here, thermal glove for winter, right? So this is a thermal glove for winter, right? So this is for the right, and this is for the left. So let's go gonna, okay, there they are. Put this on, and then there's also a zipper on it. Whoa, nice. Okay, and yes, really like this one, and I think it can be used as your phone, right? Okay, right. Okay, all right. So okay, so right, you can use your phone also for you to you can use your phone also for you to use this one, right? Nice. There you go. Right, so you can use this one into your phone, right? So it can be used as it can be touch screen. Nice. This is a good one also for you to use it. uh thermal winter, thermal gloves for winter, right? So, and it's also, this is a zipper that it has also a zipper on it, so as you can see right there. And then, oh, awesome. Like, okay, this one, very good and also nice. I love that, right? Perfect. Okay, okay, perfect, right, for you to have is this one, right? We've got some, right over here, it got some, these three, unboxing for today. Okay, so watch out for it. Because there's still some more Temu unboxing this coming month. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, because I'm gonna give you some new unboxing from Temu, right? Okay, peace everyone.